What's up everybody? So in today's video we're unveiling the newest project for the GTR, which is a full ARMYTRIX exhaust system. I have wanted an ARMYTRIX exhaust on my car for many years. I figured with the GTR I wanted nothing but the best. Valvetronic system is going to be super awesome sounding, and I'm going to love the control with the different valves. So today's video we're going to unbox the new exhaust system, check out everything it comes with, and see what this thing has to offer. Alright, looks like that is everything out of the packaging. I think the GTR is going to love this modification. So now, let's open up all the new parts, check out what this exhaust has to offer. So here are the tips. I finally have a car now with blue titanium tips. I've always wanted that on a car. I think with the color of the GTR, I think this is the perfect color for it. I did have a bunch of other options. I could have gone with polished, gold, or black, so definitely could have gone with some cool routes, but I definitely love the coloring. And actually, if you look at it, there's more than just blue. You can see purple in it, some reddish, orangish in there, some pink. That is really cool. We got a beautiful ARMYTRIX logo in it, looking really sharp. There's the heart of the ARMYTRIX exhaust system, the muffler. We got the active valves and everything. Very cool how this all works. So if we actually look at the inlet here, but you can see the different openings in there. And actually when the valves are closed, basically this pipe right here and this pipe are closed off. So all the exhaust just goes into this one, going through the muffler, giving it a very stock, quiet sounding car. But then when the valves open up, basically this is full straight pipe, no muffler. The exhaust just goes right through, bypasses right through the valve and right out the tail end. So pretty much once I end up doing the downpipes, this will be a full straight pipe GTR, but I'm gonna love having the valves. I can have it loud if I want to, or quiet. Oh, wow, check that out. So here is the remote controller. I'm not sure what the logos mean just yet. I will of course learn that. So we got two different key fobs for it. Looks like we got an R up top, that's probably race mode and maybe comfort mode, but we'll see what those do. So next up, dang, super sick looking keychain, that's really sweet looking. Got the ARMYTRIX logo and everything on it, very cool. And we have a wireless, looks like a Bluetooth OBD2 port adapter. Project. Very cool how everything is laid out. The packaging is honestly absolutely fantastic for this thing. This is very impressive. I am really impressed with this thing already, but oh wow. So it's already got batteries in it ready to go. So that is everything unboxed with the ARMYTRIX exhaust. The GTR is gonna sound absolutely epic with this system on. Here's another look, all the valving and everything. Very cool looking. The quality, the welds and everything, the polished look, everything about this, absolutely top notch. But I love how it's going to be wireless, so I can just keep it right in my center console or anything. If I want to go to the race mode or activate it or however you use it, it'll be super easy, but very sleek looking. So yeah guys, that is the new full exhaust system for the GTR. So let's get to it. Have the new exhaust all laid out, looking really good. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on the car. Finishing up with the last bit, we are popping on the tips. They are looking absolutely amazing on this car. The purplish blue, that looks insane. So that is the ARMYTRIX 90mm exhaust system installed onto the GTR. It looks absolutely fantastic, and I will have to say the fitment, absolutely perfect. Like, it went together like it was an OEM unit. Very nice quality. The tips look fantastic in the bluish purple look. Definitely glad I went with the color. That just looks so mean back here. Absolutely stunning. So let's get another start up. Now we got the tips. Sounds pretty good at idle. Why don't you rev it and I'll hold the camera real quick. I'm first exhaust rev. So the GTR installation is all complete. We'll go ahead and do a quick rev in the comfort setting. All right, and now he'll activate the valves. Dang, that is sick. So we'll go back to comfort. He'll just do a nice acceleration and then he'll come back in race mode. Very stock sounding. That pretty much sounds like it's either stock or when I just had the mid pipe on it. You can actually hear the turbo spool a little bit. All right, here we go. So right now it's idling again in comfort mode. Very cool sounding, and the tips look absolutely awesome. Definitely loving the color that I chose. You can hear it going back and forth.